So, couldn't stand it anymore. I had to get a haircut. Didn't shave my beard off, obviously. But, yeah, I came to the conclusion that, hey, I'm bald, so might as well shave my head. So, after this, we're heading out to, Great Central Lake. Gonna get ourselves some driftwood. So, I've got her backed in here. We're gonna pick some of this driftwood here and use it in our garden for the fencing. So yeah, our secret stash. I grabbed a few, well, 3 of those blocks, but not that big. I tried to get that one, but it was too big. But looking for pickets, and so we got a full load of stuff, cool stuff. And head her back, have a coffee, get gardening. So here's some of the wood that we got. Some nice stuff. Love these blocks. And I think you're starting to get the idea. This is one of the ones I really like here. We're going over the top, the archway there for my wife. I was starting to think like an archway, but I thought go with a reverse arch and make it looks like cow antlers, you know. And I'm going to throw a horseshoe I made in the middle. Nice blocks. Got another one there. A couple half. These are cool. Probably wire those, lash them. Just wire them to it. And yeah, we got some nice stuff here. So I'll get my van out. Okay, let's see if we can get out of here. Figured I have to crank her over. Look out! Hey! Dumbass! Here we should be good. No! No!
Hey, come here! Rio!
They're dumb. Man. Rio. That's okay. Now she's got to put the laundry up. I have to get through here. It's probably not going to work out. Fuck's sake. Just had Amazon here, or the courier here. Ordered a new first aid kit. Never have enough of those. And with my birthday coming up, thought, what the hell? Look at that. That box is so redneck that it's got a rebel flag on it even. Yep. I got myself a Bowie knife. She's a real beaut. There you go. She's nice. The sheath isn't all that great. Like, I mean, it's suffice, but it's not any great leather sheath. Nice, pretty nice looking though. I like it. That's real brass. It's good. Nice handle. Big knife. It's cool.